Hello, Andrew with Caesar Guerini USA. Wanted to talk to you today about our ejector removal toolkit. So, as always, practicing good safety rules, treat every gun as though it were loaded, and make sure before you're doing any work on your firearm, it's clear, empty, and safe. So the tool comes in this kit. You'll see that we have an instruction manual, a base plate, the stop disc and ejector sear tool, and our guides for different calibers, or gauges rather, as you can see. Again, this whole setup works for all Guerini over, under, and or unsingle single barrel shotguns. We're going to be utilizing 12 gauge today. So first step, obtain the 12 gauge guide rod. The base plate you'll see has a boss here. The guide rod assembly has a notch. We want to line those two together. Insert, and it clicks together, becomes one unit. This device works on all Guerini guns. We're going to be doing a 12 gauge Invictus barrel for the moment. So align the barrel to the guide rod. The ejector strikes on this boss, the other side is not going to contact, so we're only compressing one ejector at a time. Compress the ejector using the removal tool, thread into the disc, allowing you to pull it out, and then with the opposite end of the tool, compress the ejector and push the ejector sear up and out of the way, allowing the ejector to be removed from the gun. The ejector, the plunger, and the spring. Per our other video on maintenance of ejectors, we want to clean all of these items, re-lubricate them, and reinstall them. The tool also works for reassembly, so we can reinstall our spring after we've done our cleaning. The follower, the ejector after it's been lubricated, utilizing our tool, compress the ejector down. The stop disc being retained on the threaded portion guarantees that we're not going to put it in the wrong direction. Install the disc, thread out the tool, and we have completed our task. The device also works with unsingle and or top single barrels. This is an unsingle barrel. We will align the chamber onto the guide rod, compressing the ejector against the block. Depress the ejector, thread in the tool, remove the disc, relieve the sear, once we've cleaned all of our components, reinstall the spring, reinstall the plunger, reinstall the ejector using the guide, compress the ejector, install the disc. Task complete. If you'd like to obtain one of these, visit us today at GueriniUSA.com.